What is the power of empowerment? I've asked myself this question so many times, and who makes these empowerment? Is it the world leaders? Is it like those corporate big guys who can really make that difference? Can I make this change? Am I the person to really make that difference? I started looking through the eyes of my children, looking at the world in a different way, looking at the horizons and seeing how they see it. Very uncomplicated, very simple, and, creative, open to new ideas. So one day, my eldest son, he grabbed an umbrella during vacation, decided to jump into it, and I said, "Oh my God, what are you doing? You're gonna break it." And not seeing the world from his perspective, not seeing what he saw. He saw it totally different, as you can see behind me. I wasn't having empathy at all for Winnie the Pooh. But after that moment, I was given an opportunity. I was given an opportunity to make a change, to coordinate a space, something that students and staff were thinking about doing and really making a difference. How they saw our university's future. And you know what? I just saw an empty space. And this is what they saw. That was scary. How was I going to do this? How was I going to make this work? I didn't think I could do it. Could I make that difference? Was I the one to help? It was time for me to listen to my students. I had to see it through you. I had to see what you see. I needed to ask questions. I needed to listen to all of you, and we can make it work. You, my students, are my superheroes, and you know it. You're the ones that make the difference, and I want to empower you, each and every one of you. But what does this bring us? What does it bring the university? It brings us to make an impact on society, finding unusual connections, bringing social sciences to technology, making crossovers, teaching each other. It's amazing what happens when we give you the world. Students bring us to the same level. I need to empathize with what they need to connect. Sometimes go a little bit without my boundaries. What they need to reach a goal is different than what I need to reach a goal. Sometimes mentoring is tough, and sometimes they take on the challenges. My superheroes make me not only into a leader, but into a great person. Empowering is about giving power and letting go. I let go a lot, and it's really scary. Sometimes I give my students a little bit more than I'm allowed to, but it works. I'm giving them faith and also room to fail. Failure is okay. Saying we can't make it is okay. It's good to learn from our mistakes. We need to reflect, embrace it, physically embrace it, take it in. It gives us the power to find a new goal. A goal that tells other students, politicians, entrepreneurs to get up on that stage and talk about how we can make a difference, how you as a students can work with us together and make that difference. They're really looking for it, and then we can do it together. We can take it to the highest level together. It's possible, listening. And like Casey said, ask, communicate, tell me what you need, and we can create impact. Empowerment just starts with one. One person who wants to make a difference. One person that can encourage, and one person that can guide it. And you can do it. I would like to leave you with this, especially all of you students. You are turning me into a superhero. So how might we empower you to make a huge impact?